Hey guys, PizzaClient here. This is episode 2 on how to code a Java Discord API bot. In this episode, we'll be working with slash commands. And so let's get right started into this. So first off, we need to go and register the information for the slash commands. We can do this by going to our start bot function and just doing JDA dot upsert command. And now we can just do .q. We're gonna get a error right there because we need to put information. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first put in the command name for it. When we were in episode 1, when we were just doing a message received event and we were doing ping for Pong, the command is ping. So let's just do slash ping for it. Now we need a description to it. And so pings the bot and it will return Pong. One thing we could actually do is something like that. So then, yeah, okay. And so, yeah, that will now just allow us, if we check Discord, to basically have like slash ping. Now, if you wanted to add in options to it and things like that, then what we can do is we can go on to another line. How about just sort of like this? Then we could do add options. And now we can do option type, and then there are multiple things we can do. There's string, attachment, boolean, channel, integer. And then there's also mentionable, number, role, subcommand group, unknown, user. Most of the time you'd probably be using like string, boolean, or integer, or number. But in this case we won't. But I'll just do a quick example. So we'll do a string. Then we need the name of it. So we could just do like name. It'll be like when you're doing slash ping, it'll ask for like, oh, what's the name gonna be for like the information? Because they would have the name, then they'd have description, the name. I won't do capital. The name you want to ping, and then we can set it so it's required or not. So we could do like true for it would be required, or false if it's not. But yeah, since we're just doing a ping command, we don't need that. It'll just be something like that. Now, what we're going to need to do is, since we have the command registered, we now need to actually like get the input for it and all that, because we can check like when someone does a slash command to see if it's ours. So let's go into our events package that we made and do Java class. We can now do slash command received or something like that. Did I spell received right? I did not. Received. Okay. And now we're basically just gonna need to do the same thing on here. And so let's just I'll just copy the entire thing, screw it. Do that. Just extend the listener adapter. And now we need to go and change this to on slash command interaction. And now in here, we just do a slash command interaction event. And now we just need to fix a few things. So for this part, all we have to do is events dot get, because it would be like get author, but I guess event dot get member dot is dot bot. Nope. Yeah, user dot is bot. That's what it is. Okay. And now what we need to do is, for this part, we just do get name dot equals ignore case, and then ping. We don't need prefix part to it actually. Let's just remove this prefix altogether since we won't be using that. Then we can clear up some of this other things. Okay. And now with it, when we are working with it, we need to send some sort of data back to the interaction or else it will just fail. And so we could do event dot you could do event dot wait, I think, and that will just let it load for a bit. But there's event dot reply, which will send basically a message. Here, we can actually do it. So that's what it'll do. It'll go and like show the bottom part. Let's also make sure it's queued. Now, one thing you can do is set, like, well, we just set it so it's like only visible to one person or not. I'm not gonna try pronouncing that because I know I'll screw up, so yeah. But you can basically have it so if it's true, then only you can see it. If it's false, then everyone will. Just because when your bot gets over 100, well, is in over 100 servers, what will happen is Discord wouldn't want like your bots to actually be able to check all message input and all that, or like all message data, just in case something malicious happens. And so only bots where like you may see some bots that still do messages. It's because they talk to the Discord like support team and like went and applied to get message intent, just so then it's like their bot can function properly, because sometimes you need message intents. So yeah. I'm pretty sure there's some sort of way to I think it's defer reply .q, which if you're just sending something in chat or doing background work, it would then do that. I could be wrong, but yeah. Here, let me go and check. Okay, I didn't see it in my notes for it. Okay. So for this, I'm not 100% sure. We can actually hover over and see. Description copied from interface I replies. Acknowledge this interaction and defer the reply to a later time. Oh, okay. So this is how you make it thinking. Okay. Okay. That's... I didn't know. Well, now we do. So, yeah. But yeah, this is practically it for slash commands. Just doing the event, checking if it's a bot, if it is... Oh, shoot, I am spamming 2 by accident. Okay, there we go. Ooh. I always accidentally, like, press down the 2 key without realizing it. But yeah, so we got the function name. So we have the event, we're checking if the member is a bot, and if it is, don't do it. And then we're checking if the name is ping, and if it is, then it'll reply. If you're trying to get information off of like the options, you could do events dot get option, and then you can get the string name and things like that. I think I've used something like that before, which I will just be looking for real quick to then make sure that everything is nice and fine. Yeah, event.get option, then the name of it. So for the other one, we just did as name, so we'd get option name, and yeah, it would go and return whatever input they put. Now, one last thing before we can fully say it's completely done is we just need to do a JDA.addEventListener new / command receive. And so if we now start the bot and try it out, it should go and work. Let me check my tutorial server to see if I can. Yep, okay. Everything's like set up, so I'll actually go and test it out right now. So let's run main. Login to successful. Jesus, I can't speak. But if we go into here, we can add your /, and if we start typing it, there we go, pings the bot and it'll return Pong. So now if we enter it, boom, it'll say Pong, and then we can only see it since we set the one setting to true. And so yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe. It let me know that you guys enjoy the content that I'm making. If you want to see something else, then just let me know and I'll try doing it because, yeah. But I hope you guys have a good day and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.